Flossing helps to remove plaque from between teeth where the toothbrush bristles cannot reach. Flossing is essential for healthy gums and to help prevent tooth decay between teeth. Wind 12 to 18-inch floss around the middle fingers of each hand, keeping 1 to 2-inch length of the floss taut between the index fingers and the thumbs. Guide the floss gently between teeth. Contour the floss around the side of each tooth, and using an up and down motion, clean the side of the tooth and under the gum line. Floss each tooth with a clean section of the floss. There is an old adage, floss only the teeth you want to keep. Flossing below a bridge requires a floss threader that is passed below the bridge to pull the floss through. Interdental cleaning aids such as toothpicks and miniature bottle brushes are used when there is spacing between teeth. Interdental cleaning aids also help to clean effectively under braces. Antibacterial mouth rinses help to reduce the microbial count in the mouth.